Welcome students in my new tutorial, and today I'll be teaching how to start with LibreOffice base. So directly going towards the LibreOffice base, I'll try to open this. So as it loads, the first something like this database wizard, because it is my first tutorial, so firstly I have to create a new database. Click on next. Whatever are the default settings, I'll go ahead with that and click on finish. New database one I'll select. You can give any name. And when you will go further, it is asking JRE required. LibreOffice requires a 64-bit Java runtime environment JRE to perform this task. So please install JRE and restart LibreOffice. So we have to install Java. When we were doing OpenOffice, that time also this kind of problem was there. So what I'll do, I'll click OK here. OK. This is a basic interface. And if you go towards help and about LibreOffice, from here we could see what is the version here. You could see here very clearly. So 64-bit. This is 64-bit. Basically nowadays we are using Windows 10 or Windows 11. It is 64-bit only. But if you are using old computers, and it might be having Windows 7, so it can be of 32-bit. So this is the way to check it. I'll click on close. Now I have to install Java for this. So it's very simple. I'll close this one. I'll go to Google, and from here I'll type Java for all Windows. Okay, and I'll press enter key. So it's coming here on the top, Java download for all operating systems. I'll click on this. So this website opens something like this, and here you could see which download I should choose. So here I could go ahead with 64-bit. Just now I have checked that my LibreOffice base, it is of 64-bit. So I'll download this. So I'll download, actually in my case I am using downloader, free download manager. In your case it may not come, it may go with other option. It is something like this. I'll go according to your way. We click on save, it will start downloading. So it's download. Okay, it depends upon the speed of the internet. Show in folder, and I'll right click it and as administrator. It will take a little time. You have successfully installed Java. Click on close. Now I'll try to restart my LibreOffice base. Now I'll try to create a new database. Next, finish. Now here I'll give the name as new database 2. Just I'm checking. Click on save. Now you see no error is coming. So that means we have successfully installed Java, which is very essential for running of LibreOffice base. So with this I am closing this tutorial, and I hope it's clear to you how to install Java in your LibreOffice base, because without installing Java your LibreOffice base will not work properly. Okay, so I'm closing. Take care, bye bye, meet you soon in my